Welcome to the Simple English for Everyone. Today we are going to learn 50 phrasal verb in English for beginners. Wanna know what is phrasal verb? Stay tuned. Get up. I I am getting up. I get up early in the morning. Sit down. I will sit down on the chair. I sat down on the chair. Wake up. I am waking up. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Stand up. I am standing up. He is helping me stand up. Turn on. I am turning the TV on. I was turning the TV on. Lie down. I am lying down. I was lying down on the couch. Wash up. I am washing up. He is washing up his hands. Dry off. I am drying off my ears. He was drying his hand off. Turn off. I am turning the TV off. He is turning the TV off. Clean up. I am cleaning up my desk. He is cleaning up quickly. Pause. Let's do it together. Stand up. Sit down. And turn on. Make sentences on that. Part 2. Hand and object action. Pick up. I am picking up the mail. They are picking up the litter. Take off. I am taking off my jacket. You are taking off your coats. Put down. I am putting down the box. He is putting the coin down. Put on. I'm putting my shoes on. He is putting a hat. Throw away. I am throwing away the junk. You are throwing away the chances. Hand in. I am handing in my report. We are handing in the keys. Pack up. I am packing up the suitcase. He is packing up his bags. Hand out. I am handing out the flyers. The machine is handing out the tickets. Look up. I am looking up. She is looking up the address. Look down. I am looking down the street. He is looking down from the tower. Pause. Pick up, hand in, throw away. Write sentences in the comments. Walk out. I am walking out with dog. He is walking out angrily. Run away. The robbers are running away. He is running away. Part 3, Movement Actions. Walk in. I am walking in the door. He helped me walk in. Come in. I'm I'm coming in quietly. She is coming in late. Go out. I am going out for vacation. It is going out of style. Get out. He asked me to get out. I asked him to get out. Get in. I'm getting in the car. He is getting in trouble. Get on. I'm getting on the bus. He is getting on the plane. Get off. I'm getting off the train. She is getting off the topic. Move around. He is moving around the room. I am moving around carefully. Push in. I am pushing in the plug. She is pushing in her chair. Put away. I am putting away the dishes. She is putting away her clothes. Pull out. I'm pulling out the drawer. He is pulling out a tooth. Set up. I am setting up the tent. He is setting up the connection. Climb up. I am climbing up the hill. He is climbing up the ladder. Fall down. I am falling down slowly. She is falling down the stairs. Jump in. I am jumping in the lake. He is jumping in the pool. Step out. I am stepping out briefly. I am stepping out for the air. Last part, finishing action phrasal verb. Eat up. I am eating up the dinner. They are eating up the drink up. I am drinking up my water. You are drinking up her tea. Load up. I am loading up the car. He is loading up the truck. Move in. I am moving in tomorrow. He is moving in next door. Move out. I am moving out soon. She is moving out today. Bring back. I am bringing back the book. Facebook is bringing back memories. Talk, take back. I am taking my books back. He is taking back the gift. Close down. I am closing down the shop. He is closing down the shelter. Open up. I am opening up a store. It opens up to the new path. There is bonus. Switch on. Switch on the machine, washing machine. Switch off. Switch off the fan. Call back. I will call you back. Breakdown. The car got broke down. Quick check.